Good morning, everyone. Everybody must have heard the story of Angulimala and Mahatma Buddha. So, by this story, we understand how the things turns, how a person who is dacoit and robber and a killer, how it is transformation comes in his life actually when he meet Mahatma Buddha in jungle. He keeps on killing so many people. He has a target to kill 1000 people, and he was misled by his teacher, and it was told to him that after killing 1000 people, he is getting the real gist of this universe and he is able to attain the God. So he was misled, and after meeting to Gautam Buddha, he get to know the reality of the life, as everybody feels fear to him because there was a terror and horror due to his cruelty. People have a fear in their mind that this person is killing each and every member of the family, and when our turn come nobody knows actually. And he always travels and moves around in jungles and keep on searching about the next prey whom to kill. And once in a while Mahatma Buddha came in that particular jungle. He wanted to meet actually to that killer. He wanted to stop him because he was unnecessarily killing so many people and already having a garland in that he just whomsoever he has killed till now, he is having that person finger in his garland, and he keeps on counting that fingers because he has set a target to kill 1000 people. And in duration of that he meet Mahatma Buddha in the jungle, and he kept on threatening to Mahatma because he killed so many sages and saints as well, and they all are feeling fear because of the threat of the life they are having actually. But he keeps on calling and pronouncing his name, but he did not listen and he did not pay any heed towards that killer, the name so called Angulimal. So later on, when he asked, why you're not feeling fear of me when everybody in the city is feeling fear and threatened of their life, and you are means you are not feeling fear, you feel fearless. Don't you feel fear and threat of your life actually? So he said that I have stopped, but you didn't. So he did not get the meaning. He wants explanation. What do you mean by that actually? So he said, I have stopped, but you did not stop. The massacre and the killing of the people, whatever you are doing, that is not leading you ahead towards God. That is putting you in more pain and agony, and the karmas would be back to you. And then he understand that he just misled by his teacher and he start killing. Then after that he gone in the he bowed down before Mahatma Buddha and he accepted his all the mistakes, and he just tried to reform himself and he surrendered actually. So after surrendering, he just he tried a reformation, and after that a transformation happened in his life. He turned his life all of a sudden after the preaching and teaching of Mahatma Buddha. And after that also people not believing on him because there was a threat and fear among people. But he has got transformed his whole life after the preaching of Mahatma Buddha. So the one sentence of Mahatma Buddha, I would pronounce it is in Hindi actually. मैं तो ठहर गया तू कब ठहरेगा. I have stopped when you are going to stop. These lines has totally changed his whole personality. There was a big change came in his life. The great transformation happened in his life. The killer so-called Angulimal, his life has totally transformed and he has changed his life, and he bestowed down before the Lord Buddha, and after that he transformed and devoted his life towards the preaching and teaching of Mahatma Buddha. So we have seen that how life changes, how a person came, a Mahatma came in his life and he transformed his whole life actually from a killer to saint. With these thoughts, I would like to wind up my affairs here. Thank you. Thanks a lot.